I have to register hours for every day that I work. And it's been a very manual process. I have to remember to go into Jira and find the task that I've been working on, log the number of hours. And if I don't remember, I have to go through my commits or pull requests and do some detective work. And I heard similar complaints from my colleagues. So that's why I decided to use my coding skills and come up with some solution that automates, well, let's say most of this process.
You can visit it at log-bridge.vercel.app. The easiest way to use it is to simply get started, connect it to GitHub and to Jira, which I've already done. How it works is that you simply get a personal access token. The setup takes about 2 minutes. And then you can view commits on a specific day. So that's one thing. Based on the start and end of the day, it will assume what I've been working on a specific day. So you can see that I've been working on this task here from 9 to 3. It groups those commits together based on the PR to which this commit belongs. So here you see that it found the same ID of the task. And then I can click add log entry and it will appear here. The tasks are found in the branch name or in the PR name based on the regular expression here. So this basically shows you how the engine works in the background, because what it can do is that you simply click autofill. It goes through the week day by day, and it fills in the things that I've been working on this week. You can see here I've been on a vacation. And then we can click these buttons, which add repetitive tasks that I found myself doing over and over. These add specific tasks to a specific day. And here you can set up the repetitive tasks as well. These are actually names of the tasks fetched from Jira based on the ID. So I click here, and you can see that it added some hours here on Wednesday when the events are. And then we can simply click send week to Jira. And then I can go to Jira. And here you can see that all of the logs have been successfully transferred to Jira. Another way we can do this, and by do this, I mean send data into the web interface, is by using the background tracker. And you can download it here. It's an exe file that will run in the background and continuously check repositories in one specific folder. How I do it is that I put it in a specific folder on my PC, which you can get to by running or pressing Windows R, and then typing shell :startup, which will open this folder. And what this magical folder does is that it runs all of these files when the PC is opened. So I have this running in the background all the time. And you can see that it has a look into one specific folder, checks all the repositories in there, and then a specific interval. So say every 15 minutes, it checks if something has changed in this repository. So if there are more or less changes, if the branch has changed, and so on. And if it does, then it logs this interval, and writes it into a CSV file. So here you can see a summary for the last month, and you can find the CSV file here. So sit on the top. And then we can take it and drag and drop it into the front. So I can go here, click get started, upload, and drag and drop the activity log here. And now you can see the hours that have been logged.